Meaning of full forward.
Full forward.
Full forward.
Full forward.
Full forward. Full forward is a term commonly used in sports, particularly in football and rugby. In these contexts, it refers to a player who is positioned close to the opponent's goal line, with the intention of scoring a goal or point. When a team employs a full forward, they are typically looking to increase their scoring potential and put pressure on the opposition's defense. However, this strategy can also leave a team vulnerable to counterattacks if the full forward fails to score or maintain possession of the ball.